Good morning! Good morning, Winter! Good morning, everyone! You see that curl? We're good. Hi guys, it's your girl Sophia. Good morning. Today is the first day of on-site classes. And naririnig niyo ba yun? That's the background noise of Manila kasi dito naman tayo sa Manila once again kasi first face-to-face class namin since the start yung SEM. It's the third week of semester pero since the first 2 weeks of the SEM was made to online dahil sa sobrang init. 2 weeks ginawang online yung classes. But anyways, we're going back to school na ngayon. Yeah, I just got ready. But anyways, it's already 8:15 ata. Let me get my watch. Shucks. It's almost 8:20 and I have to be there sa school by at least 8:45. My classroom is at a floor na medyo mataas. So, mag-elevator ako and usually pag nasa elevator, sobrang haba ng pila at ayoko makipagsiksikan sa sobrang daming tao kaya kailangan ko maaga. Sobrang excited ako mag face-to-face classes kasi mas may natututunan talaga ako pag face-to-face. Tapos mas may tao, mas may kasama ako mag-aral. Like, alam mo yun, yung may kadamay ka mag-aral. But anyways, I just put on light makeup today kasi mas prioritize ko yung hair and the outfit. Of course, also I feel good with light makeup recently. Doesn't me get a good best setting spray. I say. Sunscreen.
Don't tell me way too much. I never know if you mean it. Can't seem to get involved. I'll leave without any reason. I don't expect your calls. Won't even wait too long. But I can try to speak 'cause everything is better.
Okay, look at this. Pinapainit ko lang talaga yung pagkain kasi ito yung breakfast namin kanina and marami pa yung ulam. Sabi ko pang kainin. So, ito. Hi! I like Snake Scratches so much. He's such a big boy na. Our Minter. And he's on the way ng table. Kailangan ko gamitin yung table. So you have to go, Lovey. Hi guys! I'm back in my condo again. Kaka-lunch ko lang. Kapambahay na ako ngayon. Nagpalit ako kasi malaki ngayong upcoming vacant. And the purpose of this video is to give you guys an idea on what to do on long vacants as a college student. It's pretty common to have vacant periods as a college student kasi yung schedule is not like the high school, senior high school type of schedule na tuloy-tuloy yung classes. Now, madaming breaks in between so there are times na hours talaga yung vacant. Mahimbing, naiisip kita lagi-lagi. Lagi na umaawit. Lagi na umaawit. Maawit mula kusina hanggang sa sala. Lagi na napapasabi. Kita mula umaga mukhang malala na hanggang gabi. Guys, I just finished a task that isn't even due this week. Like, wala pa nga due date yung task, pero pwede na siyang sagutan, so sinagutan ko na. And this is how you know someone has a lot of time in their hands, walang magawa sa buhay, or maganda lang talaga yung time management. So, isipin ko na lang na maganda yung time management ko. Kasi ngayon, as a part pa ako ng semester na madami pang time, hindi pa masyadong heavy yung mga ginagawa kasi mag-start pa lang kami with quizzes and all because it's just the third week. Ayan na si Haring Araw! Just this weekend, I bought this notebook which is a planner. at May. Grabe no, May pa ako bumili ng notebook. But it's so cute. It's a 2019 planner. Noong una, inisip ko lang talaga na I just want a notebook that has a possible place for me to plan. I didn't really care about the date. Pero nung na-realize ko, May na ngayon, di ba? Tignan niyo yung dates. Same yung dates ng 2019 sa 2024. Simula March 2019 because it's a leap year and basically in a few days this year, 2024. So nag-match sa 2019 notebook. And this was selling for 20 pesos at National. And it's such a steal kasi now I have a brain dump or notebook where I can just write my plans down for the day. I personally like writing a lot of stuff. I like writing stuff down. But since madami ng digital planners, I started using Google Calendar. Planners are becoming more expensive. Pero kasi ang cute magsulat. Pero gagamitin ko pa rin to at times na bigla-bigla na akong iniisip na gagawin. Tapos ayoko na kunin yung cellphone ko kasi patulog na ako. Usually pag patulog na ako. This is such a nice thing. Usually ang ginagawa ko sa reset days ko is to declutter things. Whether it's digital or physical items na pwede kong matanggal sa buhay ko na hindi naman nagsiserve ng purpose for me. The photos in my laptop and social media and everywhere that does not resonate with who I want to become right now. So let's start with the financial aspect. I would say I'm pretty diligent in writing down my expenses and tracking down my expenses. And it's already May, but I haven't. Okay, hindi ko pa pala. I've had backlogs. Kasi yung mga binibili ako online, hindi ko pala nililista. Nare-record yung mga binibili ko. I like tracking down my expenses kasi it allows me to see how much I've spent in a month and how much I could lessen my spending in the future. Kasama nun is yung mga gusto kong bilhin as a young adult. My current main expenses would be skincare, makeup, technology stuff, or subscriptions. And food. Food yung malaking gumastos para sa akin. Pero so is skincare. I want to be very transparent that I'm not a frugal spender. Also, I'm not a spender na kaya ko mag-haul on YouTube. Actually, I just choose not to make hauls because I prioritize investing and saving for my future. So, makikita dito sa finance tracker ko that I also have investments na hindi ko pa nare-record ng maayos. Ito mga nakalagay dito. These are most of last year or ilang months ago pa. So, kailangan ko pa siyang i-track. May mga binili ako ng 5/5 sale na I would use on my next video. It's going to be an experiment of a skincare video using local skincare products for 30 days. So I'm currently doing that now. Walang tao, guys. Walang tao, tapos may aircon. So, peace time as in a bird. Pero 10 minutes na lang may class na ako, so...
Wow, may sugat siya. May sugat ka. Phone stand sa tapat ng Lasal. Papagi.
even when the sky is falling. You are all I want. I can't do